Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to learn how to use multiplication rule for probability, and we are going to do this with the help of an example. Here is that example. A quick quiz consists of multiple choice questions with 6 possible answers, followed by a multiple choice question with 4 possible answers. If both questions are answered with random guess, find the probability that both responses are correct. Give the answer as a percent rounded to 2 decimal places. So we have two questions here. The first one is a multiple choice question with 6 possible answers. So there are 6 options. So definitely out of 6, only one will be correct. And similarly, we have a multiple choice question. The first one is followed by another multiple choice question with 4 possible answers. So there is another multiple choice question with 4 possible answers. So here what we are looking for is, if we look at the question, we want to um, find the probability that both responses are correct if they are answered at random guess. So if you're guessing and answering both the questions, what is the probability that you'll get both answers correct? So probability, we want the probability of getting the first question correct and the second question correct. So because we have the end, first question and the second question, this is the case of multiplication rule. So this will be probability of getting the first question correct times the probability of getting the second question correct. Now you can see in the first question, you have 6 possibilities and you'll have only one answer correct. So that will be 1 out of 6. And then in the second, the when you answer the second one, the way you guess the second one does not depend on the first one. That means this is the independent case. So this is the independent case, or you can say this is our independent events. So we can just look at the option in the second. We have 4 options and one of them will be correct. So the probability will be 1 out of 4. Now, in order to simplify this, we are multiplying two fractions. So we multiply numerator with numerator. So 1 times 1 is 1. And the denominator times denominator, which is 6 times 4 or 24. And if we simplify this, 1 divided by 24 is approximately 0.0417. And the question says we are asked to change that answer to a percentage. So in order to change this to percentage, we multiply by 100. So it will be 4.17%. So the possibility of answering both questions correct is 4.17% only. So here we use the multiplication rule and we use the independent event, or the events are independent here because the probability of, or you can say the event second is not affected by the event first. So this is how we will be using the multiplication rule for probability to solve the problem like this one. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching.